Hey guys, it's Nina. I am back with a quick unboxing video. I am so excited for this unboxing because this is going to be my very first Vera Disney purchase. So without further ado, let's get right into the box. I've already cut open the box and you can see there that it comes with this beautiful Disney tissue with all the Disney characters. I think I saw in another person's video, Warthog Princess, I believe her channel name is, that they've been using this wrapping for a while. I think it was her channel that I saw this on. I can't remember, but so there's the bag. Oh my goodness. Wow. I am so excited. So I got two pieces. This was on the Shop Disney channel, and because this is not the most recent Disney print Vera stuff, this is the one that was maybe fall of last year. So they had these pieces on sale, and I'm kicking myself because they actually had a lot more pieces when I first looked at the website. I purchased Dooney Disney stuff in the past from Shop Disney, so I get the emails. And when I saw that they had the Vera stuff, I initially looked at it maybe, I don't know, maybe a month or so ago, and there were a lot more pieces. Now there's hardly anything, but when I made this order, I think it's been like maybe a week and a half or 2 weeks already. There were actually more things. They actually still had the backpack, and I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't get the backpack. Anyway, so this is the Cosmetic, and I believe, I'm not sure. I think this is the medium Cosmetic. So look at that Mickey Mouse placement. Not too bad if I say so myself. The colors, the background is like this, I feel like it's a purple. I thought it was more of a blue, but now that I'm looking at it in person, I think that background is more of like a purple color. And then there are the kind of paisley swirls in the navy, a teal, a light blue with pops of pink. And then of course you've got the Mickey, I think that's like the Mickey heads. I'm not sure. With the pink dots. I love it. It's so cute. So, and then my favorite part of this print is really the interior. I love all those Mickey heads in the pink and it's more like a dark, it's like a fuchsia. It's not really quite a red. It's more like a dark fuchsia. And then, of course, the darker or pink, and then a very light pink variation. But I love this. This is also my very first Vera Cosmetic bag, so that's also exciting. But I thought it would be a good piece to have, especially with the next item I'm about to show you, because this Vera Tote, from everything I saw, and oh, by the way, this is a lot of firsts for me. This is now my very first Vera Tote. So the regular Vera Tote, this would be my very first. So since this is such a huge bag, I thought it would be good to have a matching cosmetic case to put, not that I carry around a lot of cosmetics, but you know, just like kind of an essentials pouch, right, where you can put all your stuff. So that's exciting. And it has the front pocket right there too, which that isn't plastic lined, but you've also got the Mickey in there. How cute. Okay, and then nothing on the back, but also another Mickey and a partial Mickey right there. I am happy with the pattern placement of this one. Uh-oh, I feel like this is, oh, the tag is caught in there. Any case, okay, let's move on to the iconic Vera Tote. So this Oh, guys, this is a big bag. But I like big bags, so it's not a problem. It's just, it's definitely big. Especially now that I'm not going, like, well, I don't go to the office anyway, but I do travel a lot for business. So this would have been like a, you know, my carry-on. Like I usually carry on a luggage, but my second personal item, this would be that personal item where I can just put stuff in and put under the seat so that I can easily access things while in flight. But okay, so this is the only thing I don't understand. The hard base at the bottom, it gets folded, you know. It gets folded in transit. When they package it up to send to you, it's folded. So I guess I have to like put some heavy things in there and just kind of let it sit for a while to get the shape back of the bag. But it is beautiful. Wow. I love that Mickey right there in the center. The only thing I don't like is I really wanted a castle that was somewhere in the right in the front. Unfortunately, I did not get that. There is a castle right there on the side. Oh, that's disappointing, but that's the chance you take, unfortunately, buying things, you know, on the web, because you don't really get to select the exact bag. But I don't think it's that, you know, it is disappointing, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not bad enough to where I wouldn't, you know, it's not like I'm gonna return this tote or anything. So plus they're sold out of it now, I believe, so I wouldn't have a chance to exchange it in any case. So I do love this, and I love the colors. I think it's so cute, very pretty. There's another Mickey right there. The only thing is no castle in the front, but, well, there's a partial castle, but it's okay. There's one right there. It's a great bag. But you guys all know the Vera Tote. It's a very large bag, great for work, school, any sort of travel. You've got that front pocket right there with the beautiful Mickey head interior. You have the beautiful zip pocket right there. Now that is that metal zipper that a lot of folks don't like, not the new, you know, plastic zipper. Yeah, it's a little rough, but hopefully there's got to be a trick to getting this zipper to be a little, you know, looser. Maybe after use it will loosen up, or maybe I wonder if you can rub a tiny amount of like WD-40 or argan oil or something, you know, something to kind of make this smoother so that it's more accessible. Otherwise, like most folks, might end up not even using that front pocket. But that's a great pocket just to throw your phone in. And then no pocket on the back. Interior, there it says zipped. It has a zipper, so the actual bag zips up. So you can, if you're one of those people that are concerned about, you know, privacy and your stuff not falling out and not having just a big wide open tote, you'll like that. I personally, usually when I'm carrying totes, like my Neverfull, Neverfull doesn't have a zip closure, but I'm used to that, so I don't really worry about it having an opening. Like my mom, she hates bags that don't have, you know, closures at the top. I just leave my bags open even when they do have a zipper. So, and then everybody is probably familiar with the 6 slip pockets, 3 on one side, 3 on the other side. As you know, these are, it's a little bit of a rougher cotton, but I think this is cotton. But I love that interior print. That I probably like that even more than I like the exterior print as well, for sure, but I do love that interior. It's so cute. I'm mad I didn't get the backpack. But that's okay. There is another Disney pattern, the most current one, and I don't remember what it's called. This one is called, I don't think I even told you guys, I think it's called Whimsical Paisley. So Disney Whimsical Paisley, I think is what this is called. The new one, I can't remember the name of it, but it's got that like light blue turquoise background with some pinks. I love that pattern too, but there's not very many pieces of that left on the Vera website. I just looked at it last night, and I think the backpack might still be available. I don't know. I've just made so many purchases recently. I don't know if I should get the backpack, but I think the backpack is still out there. So in case anyone's interested, the Vera Tote in the new one on the actual Vera website is gone. I'm pretty certain it was sold out. But the backpack, I forget what it's called, the iconic campus backpack maybe, that backpack in the newest pattern is still on the Vera site if you're interested in that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this pattern. I might do another video just kind of packing it up the way that I would use it if I were either taking this bag to school, which is probably what I will do more, you know, in the near future versus, well, to be honest, we're doing online classes right now, so I'm not going to be going to a classroom, but we have like our individual team meetings that it's only 7 of us, so sometimes we still do meet in person. And if I do that, then I might pack this up with my school stuff and I'll share that with you guys. Or whenever I next travel, I'll pack it up as a travel bag, and then you guys can see how this works from that perspective. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you love Vera Disney. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.